Welcome back. It's Eva from Noshki's Nails. I have another nail design I want to incorporate using a Beauty Big Bang stamping plate. It's plate 021, this one right here. There are a total of 6 images and it's mainly leaves on it. So I will be trying to keep the same color coordination here. As you can see on my nails, I will take a snapshot of the base I'm using and the stamping polish for this manicure. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to make sure you're notified each time I release a video. So let's go ahead and get this started.